Why do you need it?
Well, I got pulled over, so.
That's crazy.
What?
I know.
What? Why? Where are you at?
Well, I'm actually in Roblox neighborhood, so.
In what neighborhood?
Roblox neighborhood?
Where's that at? Listen,
It's
get
on-
your license, get your registration.
Okay.
Stay calm.
Yep.
Be very respectful.
Okay.
Just hand them your license and registration. Where is this neighborhood at?
Northern suburbs, 1005, Snokin State. Alright, Mom, he's
Where?
rushing me. I gotta let you go, Mom. He's rushing me.
Well, wait a minute. I can stay on the speaker side.
Nah, it's alright, Mom. I appreciate you. I think I see it, so.
Are you sure? Are you okay? Are you crying?
Oh no, everything's okay.
Can you please just give them your license and
Yes, I am,
registration?
Mom. Alright.
Whatever you did wrong, it's okay. Were you speeding?
Ah, yes, Mom.